Hey, good evening viewers. This is CamoKoopa182. The reason I'm making this video is that I just saw a recent comment on a video I was featured in by good old KiryuGamingX from a lovely viewer who asked me to make a video on how I made the Tsuyu Asui Mii that I used in this particular match. So I may not have the best recording equipment as all of this is being recorded on my phone, but I'm gonna do the best that I have. So, just gonna rest my phone on my keyboard. So, I'm not sure if I can make an exact replica of this Mii, as it's been a long time since I've made it, but I can do the best that I can do. So, well, first of all, let me head on back and create a new Mii. So first of all, gotta go with a female, obviously. Now, for the face, I decided to go with this particular one as it was closest to Sue's head shape. You don't have to worry about any of these, as none of these are really necessary. For the eyebrows, I think I went with the traditional ones. Well, first of all, just so I can refresh myself, let me go ahead and start with the eyes. I just gotta look back here. Okay, yeah. So for the eyes, you'll want to go with these, and you want the eye color around the surrounding areas to be white, so that way the irises can be very small. You want to make them as well. You want to make them as big as you can get them for that typical anime eye look. Actually, you know what? I don't think these are the proper eyes. Let me take another look here. No. I think these are the eyes that you want to go with. Yeah, these are the eyes you want to go with. So, you want to do this with them all the way. You want to separate them a little bit and lower them. Or, no, actually, I should also go and do the... Sorry, this is a bit messy. I'm not an expert at this. It's been a long time since I made it, but just bear with me. So, for the hair, you'll want to go with... Let me see. No, that's not it. I believe the hairstyle I went with was this one. I should probably take another look at that. I think it was a hairstyle that's similar to this one, or this is it. No, actually, yeah, this is the hairstyle you want to go with. You'll want to go ahead and make it a dark green. You can go with whatever shade of green you think is best, but I personally think that this particular shade of green works best. Let me just take another look just to be sure. I mean, you could probably use the Mii that I showed at the beginning as reference if you want to get the exact thing down. But let me just make some adjustments on the eyes. I think you want them as close as you can get them. You want to lower them so that both eyes are visible on screen. Well, on the face, I mean. Very cringe-worthy commentary. I do apologize. I've never done a video like this before. You want the nose to be as small as you can get it. Again, this is probably not going to be an exact replica, but it's going to be close. So, just using the Mii on screen from my computer as reference. Yeah, this is where you want the eyes, at least that's what it says on the screen anyway. For the mouth, I do believe the mouth I went with was... Let me take a good look here. It was this mouth that I used. So you want to lower that down. You want to make it as big as possible, and you want to shrink down its wideness a little bit, just to get it closer to the original look. You want to raise that up a little bit. Let me just adjust the nose here. Make sure it's in the right spot. Make sure everything's in the right spot, actually. Yes, like that. So, again, all of this is optional. You don't have to do this exact way if you want to make your own unique version of it, but this, just trying to recapture how I made it. So, I go with the default eyebrows, or at least I think. Once again, you want to make them as the same color as the hair, just to keep things accurate. And that's basically all you need to know if you want to make a replica of my Tsuyu Mii. Again, you can customize this any way you see fit, but this is how I did my Tsuyu Mii if you want to make an exact replica. But also, if you want to make an exact replica, you can also use the Mii that I showed at the beginning as reference. So yeah, just to recap, you want this to be the face, you want these. You can choose whatever eyebrows you want, but I just go with the default ones. For the nose, you could choose whatever one, but I found this to be the closest. No facial hair. She doesn't need glasses. Let's be honest, Sue never needed glasses. Come on now. This is the hairstyle you want to go with. Not sure if you can see it on screen, but this is the color you want to go with. These are the eyes you want to go with. Again, you want to make sure that the iris is white so that you can get that anime eye look. Also, here's the position of the eyes if you're curious. For the mouth, you want to go with this one, and these are the position for the mouth. You can make the mouth any color you want, but I personally chose not to do so. She doesn't need a mole, and you can customize her body however you like. So again, I know this was a very cringe-worthy video, but this is for this beloved viewer who wanted to know how to replicate my Tsuyu Mii. So, I hope this video was very informative, and thank you for the attention, my beloved viewers. Again, this is for everyone who wants to replicate my Tsuyu Mii, so I hope you all have a fantastic day. Also, good day to you.